I'm going to be doing DIY 4th of July treat ideas. So if you want to see how I made these 4th of July treat ideas, keep watching. So for the first treat idea, you will need red jello, blueberries, raspberries, and whipped cream. So you put the jellos into the bowls, and then you put the whipped cream on top, and then you put the berries on top of the whipped cream, and then you are finished. So for the next treat idea, you will need red and blue sprinkles, cupcake holders, and cupcake mix. So I put the cupcake holders in the cupcake pan, and then I put the ingredients to make the cupcakes into the bowl, and then I stirred it all together. Then I put the mix into the cupcake holders. And then once the cupcakes came out of the oven, I added the frosting on top and my sprinkles, and then they were done. So for the last treat idea, you will need marshmallows, red and blue candies, and cookie mix. So I put my cookie mix into the bowl, and then I added all of my candies and all of the ingredients that I needed to make the cookies. Then I stirred it all together. Then I put the cookies into the cookie pan, and then I put the cookie pan into the oven, and then they were out of the oven and they were done. Okay, so that was the end of my video. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, you should like, comment, subscribe. Comment down below if you liked my treat ideas videos or if you want to see other types of videos. I don't know. Okay, that's all I have to say, so goodbye!